We're women, right? Yes. We're marvelous, powerful, beautiful, gorgeous, intelligent, cunning, witty, all those beautiful, marvelous things, right? Yes. And what are we afraid of? What's holding us back is the question. And before you start saying to yourself in your head, what is she talking about? I'm not afraid of anything. Please, before you start going down that path, let me tell you that I have come across a lot of women, and I've seen it in myself and I've seen it in others. And we will put it out there in the universe. We'll say it on social media. We'll say it to our friends. We'll put it on our vision boards. We'll tout that we are wonderful, magical divas who can do anything. And we're all about up leveling and getting to the next level, and watch me work and get to the next level and all that, right? We see it all the time. We say it all the time, a lot of us. And yet, and still, we're in a very similar place year after year. Why? I would venture to say that it has something to do with what one of my very favorite people, Marianne Williamson, often says, that it is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. What does that mean? It means we're afraid to succeed. We're afraid of what it looks like, feels like, to actually get to that place that we've been daring to dream of, daring to put out there, daring to say, that's possible, I could do that. And we're a little afraid of it too, which is okay. You know, it should be scary on some level. If it doesn't scare us, they say it's not a big enough goal, right? So really, what's holding us back? Our panel for this conference is talking about the power of the fearless ask. The power of the fearless ask. And so I think oftentimes it's not even just that we're afraid to ask. A no can be disheartening. Nobody likes to hear a no. So we're taught, don't take it personal. Keep going. A no is potentially, it's actually a yes disguised as a no. We're taught to kind of think that, that's something it's just an obstacle we have to get around, an objection we have to handle better. So, beyond asking, because there's some magic there too. But I want us to ask ourselves, why are we afraid to be our most brilliant, our most gorgeous, our most talented selves? Because this is what I see. What I see is a lot of women, a lot of mothers, a lot of college graduates, brilliant, beautiful women who can really actually do anything. And yet, many are mothers, many are wives, and it's so easy to say, I'm going to do this for them. I'm going to do this for them. And yes, I can. And you're going to do all these tasks for everyone else. But when it comes to yourself, oh no, I don't have time for that. I'm too tired. I'm doing all this for everyone else. It's easy to put that cape on, right? Or it's easy to blame it on your career, or blame it on whatever you've got going on. Whatever reason, excuse there is out there for us to not actually get to that thing that we know is here. It's our passion area. It's what we should be going after. I think it's so easy for us as women to do that. And so I'm saying to you, I can't wait for this panel. The conversation alone is going to be amazing, because we're going to be exploring some of these thoughts, these feelings, these fears. What are we afraid of? And I think oftentimes it is actually that we're afraid of the success that we say we want. It's called cognitive dissonance, right? There's a disconnect between what we think and what we are saying and what we actually believe at our core. So, ladies, come join us. Looking forward to seeing you there. And cheers.